Hi everyone, Eid Mubarak. Welcome back with an Eid vlog. Hope you guys are safe and happy. So some moment taken on the last day of Ramadan, that is Chand Raat, and some preparation for Eid included in this video. Hope you will like it. Keep watching. In evening, a day before Eid, applied henna on my little cousin's hand. And I'm not at all good in it, but the fact is children love mehndi doesn't matter how the design is. Applied it a day before, as next day it will become more darker. The last day, iftar was really simple. Just a glass of ruh afza, fruits, and rice roti. Here we call it as chilka. Along with that, chicken shorva. Now the Chand Raat has its own charm. But the sad part is cleaning included. Change the bedsheet. So this bedsheet order online since all the store here closed due to lockdown. After that, moved on to the kitchen. Late night, I began Eid food preparation. Menu was dahi bada, custard, kunafa, chicken changezi, degi chicken, chole, and the main dish biryani was prepared by my mom. For dahi bada, added the batter in a bowl, then goes in green chili, cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon salt, and pinch of baking soda. Now whip the batter for 10 minutes to make it more fluffy and light. Heat oil in kadhai. When oil is medium hot, make a small ball sized portion of batter in between your fingers and gently drop it into the oil. Deep fry them on medium heat until light golden brown and crispy. After it's cooled off completely, I had stored them in an airtight container in refrigerator. We'll use it at the time of serving. It's a real time saver. Next, moved on to custard. Already done a recipe video on fruit custard. Shall provide the link in the description box. I didn't added any fruits, kept it as such. Here was the preparation going on for chicken changezi. I marinate the chicken for an hour. Next is degi chicken. I was making 2 dishes at a time, so didn't able to shoot proper recipe video. If you want me to do video on full recipes, comment down below. We'll try to cover it on upcoming videos. As I am not a huge fan of henna, so I never apply mehndi on Eid. But this Eid thought of giving it a try, so I kept it really simple. It was already late and we all were awake whole night. At last I made kunafa. So first we have to break vermicelli into small pieces over a large bowl. Now add the butter and mix it to coat evenly. Now grease baking tray with some butter. Transfer half of the dough to the tray and press firmly so it will hold the cream filling. Now pour the cream and spread it with a spatula. Top with the remaining dough evenly. Bake it for 30 minutes or until golden. Now preparing sugar syrup. Added half cup of sugar and water. Boil until it becomes sticky and comes to syrup consistency. Added lemon juice. Stir and let it cool down. Once the kunafa is baked, allow it cool and pour the sugar syrup at top. Add chopped pistachios and decorate it. I didn't bought any dress for Eid. Already had couple of new dresses available in my wardrobe. It is more essential that we stay home and stay safe. I wore this dress on Eid, which is made from scratch. I bought this fabric and had no idea what I'm gonna make out of it. Finally searched it on internet and got an inspiration. Successfully, I had created not exactly same but similar too. After that, took a shower and got ready. I can't wear this all long, so decided to change and be little bit more comfortable. So this dress is again stitched by me. I stitched this dress few days back and hopefully completed it before Eid. So this is gather frock with side slits. I was really tired as I didn't sleep at all, so took a deep nap to be refreshed for the rest of the day. As soon as I woke up, jumped onto the food as I was dying with hunger. After a while, tasted kunafa and it was delicious. That's it for the day. It went really ordinary but yet memorable. During the lockdown, many festivals came and went off silently. May we stay safe and emerge from the current situation stronger and more united. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and do comment in the box below. Please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get my updates. Thanks for watching.